Magmi-museum tayo, bebe. Walang makakapigil kay Scarlett na gala. First step lang yan, anak. Look at the lion, bebe. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Akala mo mga totoo. Mas malaki pa sa akin to. Mas malaki pa yung bird sa'yo, honey.
No, mas malaki yung bird dito.
Sa ulo. Yes, we're going to experience the San Francisco earthquake. You see the fish? Scarlett! It's a big aquarium. Hi! We're going to Golden Gate Park today para mag-relax-relax lang at nature lovers muna for today's vlog. And then after, pupunta tayo ng California Academy of Sciences Museum. Medyo cloudy today, pero gora natin yan. Walang makakapigil kay Scarlett na gala. May usok ba?
Ano ba yung pipikatan tayo?
You know? Scarlett, breathe. Dali, breathe. Scarlett, breathe. Dali. Medyo foggy today, oh. Look, it's foggy and medyo cloudy today. We are here, Scarlett. California Academy of Sciences. So, waiting kami ngayon sa Uber. Pampatahimik kay Scarlett, si Miss Rachel.
Thank you, Miss Rachel.
Ah, di ba? Babe na babe yung bata na yan. Scarlett! Hi! You're behave, okay? Si Scarlett, tuwang-tuwa na kapag gumagala. Gusto niya nakasilip lagi sa bintana. Eh, naka-car seat siya, hindi pwede sumilip kasi nag-commute lang kami ngayon. Kaya kailangan may pinapanood siya para mag-behave siya sa car seat. Oh, batang gala na yan. Ay, inaantok. Kakanap mo lang ah. Mag-museum tayo, bebe. Scarlett, oh, medyo foggy today at maulan. Push natin yan. Sana paglabas natin hindi na maulan para makaikot tayo dito sa garden. Bili muna tayo ng ticket. Dito, ticket.
So guys, ito yung prices niya. Adult 53, and student 46, youth 46, senior 46, and children is free. So kuha tayo ng 2 adults, 53 each. So sulitin namin today, buong araw yan. So guys, susulitin namin to dito. Buong araw kami dito. $100 din to. May dinosaur dito, guys. Oh. May T-Rex. Pero mukhang fake na siya. Hindi na siya yung original bones. Tama, T-Rex nga siya.
Pag pumasok kayo dito sa California Academy of Sciences, meron siyang African Hall, Planetarium, tsaka Aquarium. So, sulit na rin yung $50 entrance fee nyo dito pag pumunta kayo. At malaki siya, guys. Ayan.
Bako ma'am. Makita mo.
Start muna tayo sa African Hall, ani. Let's start African Hall. Look at the fish, Scarlett. Fish. Fish.
I want to pick the.
That's a fish, Scarlett. Fish. Nag-enjoy si Scarlett sa fish, oh. Ay, hindi, alam mo na. Next stop, aquarium. Sa LA na lang. Nag-enjoy si Scarlett, oh.
Pag namatay yung langgam ko, aquarium na lang, Han.
Scarlett!
Aquarium na lang tayo, anak.
Look, oh, nag-enjoy si Scarlett, oh. Wow, you like it, baby?
Like it?
You like the fish?
Like yung fish na nakikita niya, oh. Wow.
Fish? Wow! First stop pa lang to. Maliit lang yung aquarium na may mas malaking aquarium pa tayong pupuntahan. Halika na, punta tayo sa iba, anak.
Yo, tiro. Pakita mo isda, eh.
Scarlett! Let's go, Scarlett!
Mamaya.
First stop lang yan, anak.
Pupuntahan niya yung isda. Ito may isda. Kita ba?
Sumasayo-sayo pa yun, oh. Scarlett, oh. Wild dog. That's a wild dog, baby. That's a wild dog. Wild dog. You see the wild dog? Dog? What does the dog say? It's a wild dog, baby. It's a wild dog. Wild dog. We are in the African Hall. Scarlett, look at the monkey. Scarlett, monkey, look. Scarlett, monkey. Wow. Look at this, Scarlett. Wow.
Jump, malayo ka dito. Floating, Han. Jump ka naman, eh. No.
Wait, what's this, Scarlett? It's a monkey. It's olive baboon, Scarlett. It's olive baboon. Pero actually, Scarlett,amiss na miss siya. Kahit hindi totoo yan, oh. Let's go to lion, baby. Let's go to lion. Wow! It's a lion, Scarlett. It's a lion. Look at the lion, baby. It's a lion. There. Lion. Lion. Kahit hindi totoo yan, guys. Tamis namin si Scarlett, oh. It's a lion. Roar. Lion. Roar. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Akala mo totoo. Pati yung background. Scarlett, look, ah. A cheetah. This is cheetah. Cheetah. Her. Look, oh, look, Scarlett, oh. What animal is that, baby? There. Look at the lions. Scarlett, there. Zebra, baby. It's a zebra. Zebra. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa, guys, oh. Kala mo totoong-totoo. Mga mata ni Scarlett nilang kusang titingin, oh. Left and right. Amaze na amaze siya. Wow. It's African penguins. Pero,
Upo mo siya dito.
Scarlett, look! African penguins, oh! There, oh! It's a live penguins, guys.
Okay, that's good. Do you want to hold her mom?
Penguin there! Scarlett, look at the penguin! There! Penguins! Penguins! Sinisilip niya, ani, oh! Look at the penguins! Penguins! Kita ba ni? Scarlett! You catch the penguin! Catch! Tontawa, oh!
Maybe I should back you up a little bit just because.
Wow. No. It's okay. It's okay. There, let's go. There. Wow. Wow, penguin. Look at the penguin. Tingnan niyo yung reaction ni Scarlett, guys. So, habang nakikita niyo mga penguins na malangoy, amaze na amaze siya. Oh, penguins! There! Oh, penguins! Natatakot siya.
Start down and then it just went back up.
Where's the penguins, guys? Scarlett, where? Where's the penguins? Scarlett, there! There, penguin!
Wait.
There! There!
Yeah.
Oh, there, oh, penguin! It's okay. It's a penguin, not a duck, Scarlett.
The coloration of it is different from those fish.
She said kaka as quack. Quack quack.
With the penguin, oh, there's one dog who passed off the Oh yeah, that's the baby's more wait till
Look at the fish, Scarlett.
Mga tilapia yan, nak. Iba-ibang kulay na tilapia.
Fish. It's a Malawi cheese. Dwarf cuttlefish. Yung si Scarlett, guys, nag-enjoy sa mga nakikita niya. Paano pa kaya paglaki ni Scarlett, tumatakbo-takbo na yan. Papasyal namin sa mga museum, sa zoos. Super laki nito, guys. Maubos na buong araw niya dito at mag-enjoy mga kids niyo talaga. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Akala mo mga totoo. O, totoo yan na preserve na lang. Ganda, oh. Scarlett! Do you like birds?
What does the duck say?
Nagkakakaka siya kanina sa penguin eh. Ka. It's a bird. Ay, it's a duck, Scarlett.
Oh, what does the duck say?
It's a duck. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Kaka.
What does the duck say?
Kaka. Quack, quack.
Nagkaka nga siya, nakita niya to eh.
Oh, alam niya. Kaka.
Oh, pero isang beses lang, hindi niya nainuli. What does the duck say?
Favorite niya talaga duck, oh. Na. Sa live birds. Scarlett, where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where? Look at the sky. Up. There, the bird. There. Up. Scarlett, up. Where's the bird?
Hindi niya makita.
Hindi makita ni Scarlett yung bird. Laking tiger, guys. Oh. Amur tiger. Stig. Cool. Mas malaki pa sa akin to. Tapos ito naman, giraffe. Giraffe. Oh, laki. Pasok sana kami dito sa planetarium, guys. Kaso, nabasa namin, no children under 4. So, next time na lang. Sayang, di pwede si Scarlett. Wala pa kami sa kalahati ng ikot namin dito sa may building. Inantok na tong alaga namin. So, lunchtime muna tayo habang tulog si Scarlett para makakain na maayos ang mommy and daddy. Let's eat habang tulog si Scarlett. Fries and chips, pizza, then Caesar salad. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung view namin dito habang kumakain kami. Rainforest. Sana maikot namin yan mamaya after namin dito sa Academy of Science. Tulog na tulog. Sarap ng tulog niya, lamig kasi. Guys, this is California condor. Largest California bird. Tignan natin kung gaano siya kalaki. Stretch my arms. See? Hindi ka ma-stretch yourself namin kasi ako sa Scarlett. Let's go, let's go.
Galit na.
Super laki niya.
Oh, si daddy naman. Oh. Check naman ni daddy.
Ito try din 2 arms. Kung ano kalaki ni... Mas malaki pa yung bird sa'yo, honey.
Ano? Mas malaki yung bird dito?
Sa kaulo. Scarlett, it's a bobcat. See? It's a bobcat. Ka! It's a bobcat. You see? You like it? It's a big cat, Scarlett. It's a coyote dog. Scarlett. Look, oh. Coyote. Guys, we're going to experience the San Francisco earthquake. Let's see kung gaano siya kalakas pagpasok natin sa loob. Hawak natin si Scarlett habang may experience natin yung earthquakes. Look at this. Nasaan na tayo?
Entrance.
Ano yan yung sabi ko painted ladies?
Friendly reminder, please make sure you guys hold on to the railings at all times during the simulation. We want to make sure people don't fall over and hurt themselves. And if you guys feel any uncomfort, there will be a break between the 2 quakes. You will go that direction here, which is on the left, and it will take you to the main exit. With that being said, do anyone have any questions? No.
I'm scared of earthquakes and I basically have
Earthquakes have been part of the land you're standing on for millions of years. California's unique geology shapes the landscape as well as all the life that thrives here. Living in partnership with nature in the San Francisco Bay Area means living alongside the powerful forces of earthquakes. Now let's go back in time to San Francisco on October 17, 1989 at 5:04 p.m. as the Loma Prieta earthquake struck. You just felt a sense of what people experienced during the Loma Prieta earthquake. The shaking lasted 15 seconds. The Bay Bridge and roadways collapsed as buildings fell and neighborhoods crumbled. However, the city's most famous earthquake struck with a much greater force. In this Victorian house, let's imagine San Francisco, More than 100 years ago, in 1906, after the gold rush, the population boomed in the span of a few short decades. On April 18th, at 5:12 a.m., the city began to wake as the shaking began. The shaking lasted 90 seconds, 3 times longer than what you just experienced. After the shaking stopped, a massive fire broke out, burning 28,000 buildings to the ground, including the original Academy building located downtown. While earthquakes can be devastating forces, they will always be part of life in California. Other perspectives, including indigenous science, can offer different ways to think about living with them. As you exit, look for the woven panel from a traditional Ohlone house.
Ayaw may experience in real life. Did you scare Scarlett?
Kamusta ang experience?
Ayaw mangyari sa real life. Nakakatakot. Babe lang si Scarlett eh, oh. Na-amaze siya sa nakikita niya eh, oh.
Are you okay?
Scarlett,
How's the experience?
Nothing.
So guys, ito yung mga sea lions. Yan ang dami pa oh. Yung pa sa taas oh. Oh, dami oh. Puro sea lions yan. Ito pa. Mga sea creatures. Laki nito. Ano kaya to? Laki oh.
Ito?
Oh.
Ano yan ni? Seller, sea lion.
Sea lion pa rin yan. Oh.
Malaking boat.
Ito pala sila guys. Yan. Grabe guys, ganito pala kalaki yung blue whale oh. Oh my god, kita niyo yan? Oh, wow. Sobrang laki. Grabe. Yung ulo niya oh, tingnan niyo ah. Yan oh, laki oh. Ito. Sikaw. Masa.
That's... Oh? You happy? Fish? That's a fish. You like it? You like it? Oh. Hi. That's a fish. Sabi niya, that's a fish. You like it? That's a salmon fish, baby. That's a salmon fish. Tuwan-tuwa, oh. Let's go? Are you done, baby? Let's go? You like it? You like it? Alright, let's go. You see the fish, baby? There. Fish. You like the fish? Akala mo nakakalakad na eh. Kumakaano. Tuwang-tuwa, oh. You like it, baby? You like it? Tuwang-tuwa sa Scarlett, oh. You like it? You see the fish? Halika, let's go to the bigger aquarium, anak. There's more bigger aquarium. Halika na, come here, come here. Ayaw niya na umalis. Anak, may bigger aquarium pa na. May better aquarium pa. Maliban dito, anak. Halika na.
Ang tuwa siya.
Ayaw niya magpabitaw. Anak, may bigger aquarium pa, anak.
Taas mo dito, pakita mo dito.
Tuwang-tuwa. Ay, nako, anak. What? Oh, that's a fish. Diyos ko, anak. Ayaw bumitaw.
Albino na alligator, oh.
Or at the swamp, baby. Wow, malaki siya. Diretso aquarium na rin pala to. Sorry, look at the alligator, oh. Look at the alligator. Albino?
Guys, ito nga pala yung alaga kong butik eh. Medyo malaki na siya. Nagpapatan lang siya sa araw ngayon. Ayaw niya dyan. So, paano mo yun? Gusto niya
Snake? That's a snake, Scarlett. Look at the snake. Here, snake. Look at the snake. You see the snake? Alright, let's go. Halika na, snake. Oh, let's go. Let's go to fish. Scarlett! Scarlett! Ay, mapansin ni Scarlett, oh. Scarlett! That's a fish! Mga Scarlett, oh. It's a big aquarium. Scarlett! Mama! Scarlett! Yung anak mong inahabol yung isda, oh. Oh. You like the fish? That's a fish, baby. Look at this, Scarlett, oh. Big fish, oh. Big fish. That's a big fish. Ah. Ooh, that's a fish. Wow. Fish. Fish. Look at the fish, Scarlett. Fish. Fish. Si Scarlett, pag natatawa, ganyan siya, oh. That's more. There's a lot of fish here, Scarlett. Let's go. There's a lot of fish. This is giant Primos anemone. Ang ganda nila, oh. Buhay na buhay, tignan. That's a jellyfish, baby. That's a jellyfish.
Uy.
Oh! It's a jellyfish! It's a sea nettle, Scarlet. Look how big! Oh! Gusto niyang kunin.
Look,
Look,
look.
Scarlet, it's there! It's a sea nettle! Wow! Big, Scarlet? Big! Oh. Hindi mo mahawakin yan, anak.
Gagi sa TV.
Tuwan-tuwa siya.
Pwede na natin papanoorin sa TV ng mga ganyan.
Tuwan-tuwa si Scarlett. Wow, big fish. Tingnan mo yung anak mo, lakad na, pero hindi pa kaya maglakad. Oh. Gustong-gustong nasa baba kaysa nakaupo. Oo, sumasayaw pa yan. Oo. Take two. Again, there's just a fish in the background. Nanonood siya ng fish. Hala, lakad, lakad. Lakad. Hala, left, right. Inabutan na kami ng closing time dito sa Academy of Science. So, tingnan natin kung makakagala tayo dito sa tapat at may park. Buti nilang hindi na umuulan. Tara, bago tayo umuwi. Scarlett! Sobrang nag-enjoy si Scarlett, especially sa aquarium. You like the fish? You like fish? Let's walk muna dito sa harapan ng park, anak. Let's walk muna dito sa harapan, anak, sa may park, saglit, bago tayo umuwi, ha? Hindi naman na umuulan, ano, bebe. Tuwang-tuwang nakagala ang bata, oy. Inaantok na yan, pero tuwang-tuwa pa, oh. Scarlett! 1, 2, 3! You happy? Bigat mo, anak. 1, 2, 3! We're home, Scarlett. Kakagising lang niya galing sa biyahe, hindi makagalaw, oh. Inaandar ko na siya sa stroller, pero hindi siya gumagalaw. Ano na, anak? Hindi ka makagalaw. Move! Na. Galaw! Move! Ano na? Hindi ka na makagalaw dyan sa pwesto mo. Ano? Nandito na tayo. Inaasar ka lang ni Mami yan, ah. Inaasar ka ng Mami yan, ah.